So already the first practical videos are uploaded. Here in this video we will see the practical number 14, that is based on networking basics. So in this video we will see the networking programs. See, write a practical number 14. Write a program to demonstrate the use of INET address class and its factory method. Practical significance: Java provides supports for communication between two or more computers by the way of socket programming. You can communicate between two or more computers using socket programming. It provides the classes for both protocols, that is UDP and TCP. Sockets: using this TCP and UDP protocols, you can communicate between the two or more computers. Socket lets user to create the client-server communication in the network and share the data or the information in it. See, relevant program outcomes, POs. These are POs are same for all the practicals. I am not taking much time for COs. Basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiments and practice, engineering tools and individual and teamwork and communication. And next, competency and practical skills. To develop the program using INET address class, the practical is expected to develop the following skills: able to use of factory methods of INET address class, and able to write the program using different constructors of the INET address class. So I have in the theory video, I have explained what are the factory methods and the factory methods of INET address class. If you don't know, just you observe, see that previous networking videos, unit videos, and come to know. And relevant course outcomes: develop Java programs using network to demonstrate the use of INET address class and its factory methods. Relevant effective domain-related outcomes: follow precautionary measures, follow naming conventions, follow ethical practices. Minimum theoretical background. What is this? The Java's INET address encapsulates an INET IP address and used by other networking classes such as socket and the server socket. URL, datagram socket, datagram packet. It is used to represent both numerical and the domain name of the machines. INET address can handle both IPv4 and IPv6. The INET address class has no visible constructors and uses the following factory methods. First one, INET address get localhost, throws the unknown host exception. Second method, get by name, throws the unknown host exception. And array of INET addresses get all by name, throws the unknown host exceptions. So these are the factory methods of the INET address class. And see that teacher must assign a separate program statement to group of 3 or 4 students. So in this program we will see that the INET address, so get host name and get host name and host address. So for the local host, whatever the PC you are operating, that PC's host name and the host address, you will see that. Say local host, IP address is 127.0.0.0.1 is there, and IP addresses. So host name is local host. So here program, if you want, you can see INET demo, no? Go there, here networking. Networking. In this networking, we'll see this networking default programs. And this is, what is the name of this one? Class name INET demo, no? inet address. No, it is not there. Get localhost. And demo also. So Microsoft for this. So this I am running. Get all by name. What is the difference between get all by name? So whatever the machines connected to that one, so www.microsoft.com, address of I. And demo, no? We'll see that. So just I am copying this, Control C, net demo. So right click there, new Java class, net demo, finish. Just I'm demoing this, and then running this. See that. See, host name is localhost, IP address is this. Is it clear? So, and then 14. So next, write four differences of IP4 and the IP6. So IP4 has 32-bit address length and 6 has 128-bit address length. It supports IP4. It supports the manual and DHCP address configuration. It supports auto and renumbering the address configuration. IP4 end-to-end communication integrity is unachievable. 6 is end-to-end connection integrity is achievable. Next, for IP4, it can generate 4.29 into 109 address space, and IP6 address space, that is 6, is a quite large. It produces 3.14 into 1038 address space. Security feature is dependent on application, and IPSC is inbuilt security feature in IP6 protocol. And next, write the use of get by name and get all by name method. Get by name method INET address class determines the IP address of the host name, and get by name method returns the IP address of the given host and throws the unknown host exception. Get all by name method of the INET address class returns the array of IP addresses based on the given host name and the configured name services on the system. If the host is full, then the INET address representing the address of the loopback interface is returned. So it returns the array of IP addresses and throws the unknown host exceptions. And write the steps to assign the IP address of your machine. Right click on Windows, start the open menu and the control panel here. So just you click here and then control panel, otherwise control panel, see, control panel, and then networks, network and sharing centers. So here, then the change the adapter settings, and then local area connections, and then the go to the properties, properties and go to the 4 IP4 and then set this here DSN name and this one DSN server name and validity and OK. That I have already given. It's why I'm not changing anything here. Is it clear? So I'm closing this. Closing that. See, right click on Windows Start button and control panel, network and sharing centers, adapter settings, select Ethernet properties and IP4 properties and obtain the IP address automatically and the DNS server and click on OK and this one. This is what how to change the IP address. That will complete the practical 14.